exhale, come straight. Again inhale, turn your right side. Again exhale, come straight. Now this is one round. The same exercise we will be doing 2 more rounds. Ready? 1. Right side. 2. Straight. Yeah. So next we will be doing head sideward rotation like this. First inhale, your ear can go up to your shoulder level. Up to shoulder, you can touch your ear, shoulder. Okay. Next, so you will be having neck rotation. Inhale. So now you will be doing head rotation. Clockwise first, then anti-clockwise. Rotate like this. Inhale, clockwise, straight, then exhale, anti-clockwise. This is one round. Inhale, bring it up and bend backward. This is one round. Repeat the exercise 2 more rounds. Now, exhale, put your arms down slowly. Exhale. This is one round. Repeat 2 more rounds. 1. Exhale, bring it down. 2. Inhale. Bring it down. Exhale. Okay. Next, we will be doing a twist. So keep your both arms forward, palm facing each other. So by left you will be turning your trunk by inhaling. 1. Come back with exhalation. Now on your right side, inhale. Come back with exhalation. This is one round. Repeat the exercise 2 more rounds. 1. Come back. Exhale. Come back. One more round. Okay, next, keep your both arms straight. Now, palm facing downward, feet apart about 15 centimeters. Now, we will be going, bending our knee, or else half squat. Exhale, bend down. Inhale, up. This is one round. Repeat the same exercise 2 more rounds. 1. Inhale. Exhale. Now put your both arms down. Stand straight. Feet apart only 3 inches. So now we will be going for practicing asanas. So first we will be having Tadasana. So feet apart, first stand straight, Feet apart 3 inches between both the feet. Now, keep your both arms sideways by inhaling, palm facing downward. Now, turn your palm facing upward. Bring it above your head, interlock your fingers, and turn your palm towards the sky. Yeah. Keep your elbow straight. Keep your elbow straight. Arms should be closer to your ear. Now, slowly raise your heel up. Hold it for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15. Yeah, bring your heel down. Now release your arms. Palm facing downward. Exhale. Put your arms down. So this is Tadasana. This Tada means mountain posture. Next, we will be going for Halasana. Now again, keep your both arms sideways. Palm facing upward. Now turn your palm facing forward. Now inhale, while exhaling bend forward. Bend forward, slowly, 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 bend, bend, bend. Touch the floor at ground, or you can place your palm in the ground, or just hold your ankle. Try to touch your knee with your forehead. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bring your both arms slowly upward, closer to your ear. Up, 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 up. By exhaling, bring your both arms down, 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 down. Yes. So next, we will be having Artha Chakrasana. Now, allow you to keep your hands on your hip, feet about 15 centimeter. Now, hold over, keep your palms on the hip. Now inhale, slowly bend backward. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, come forward. This is Artha Chakrasana. Next, we will be going for Vrikshasana, tree pose. Next, keep your feet apart from 15 centimeter. Stand straight. Now take your left leg, bend it, and place his right inner thigh. Now bring your both arms sideward. Slowly bring it upward. Go to Namaskar Mudra. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, bring your both arms sideways. Now release your leg down. Now repeat the same in your right side. Now again, bend your knee. Bend your right leg. Place it on your right thigh, left thigh, inner thigh. Bring your both arms sideways. Now bring it upward. Try to focus on one particular point so that you can able to stand. Yeah. Hold it for 10 seconds. Five, 6, 7, 8, Bring your right leg down. Next, now we have done standing series asanas. Next, we will be going for sitting series asanas. So all of you sit in the ground. Go to long sitting position. Keep your both legs straight, Bhadrasana. Next, we will be doing Bhadrasana. Keep your both legs straight, toe pointing upward. Keep your both arms placed in backward. Now, we will be going for performing Bhadrasana, or else we can able to say Pada Konasana. In our terminology, we used to say butterfly exercise. Next, take your left arm, hold your left big toe, bring it near to inner thigh. Now again, take your right arm, hold it the right big toe, bring it towards your lower abdominal. Next, you can hold your toes by using your arms. Next, you can bring it towards your, bring your toes towards your lower abdominal. Yeah. Keep your back straight. Keep your back straight. Look straight. Close your eyes. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open your eyes. Release your right at first. Now release your left leg first. Next, we will be moving to Vajrasana. Again, hold your right big toe, bend it, and keep it placed in your back. Sit on this right leg. Upwards, hold your left leg, bend it, and now you can sit like this. So you can sit heel up your leg. You can make like asanas. So now keep your back straight. Place your palms on your knee. Keep your back straight. Close your eyes. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open your eyes. Now go to kneel down position. From there you can go to kneel down position. Now we will be doing Ardha Ustrasana. Now keep your both arms on your hip. Now bending backward, arching your back, you will be looking up. Yes, slowly go back, bend, look up. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come up. So now we have done Ardha Ustrasana. Next we will be going for Purna Ustrasana. Now take your right arm up, bend backward, place it on your right heel. Next, take your left arm up, bend backward, place it on your left heel. Now keep your elbow straight, look up. Hold it for 10 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now release your left arm up. Next, release your right arm up. So go to Vajrasana position. Next we will be doing Sasangasana. So for this, you will be open your this leg little wider. So almost 1 feet gap. Now bring your both arms sideways. Palm pressing upward. Bring it above your head. Now slowly bend forward with exhalation. Now chin has to touch the ground. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come back. Keep your both arms upward. By exhaling, bring it down. Now place your both arms downward. Next we will be doing Uttana Mandungasana. Keep your both arms sideways. Widen your leg. Now bend your left arm. Place it on your right shoulder. Bend your right arm. Place it on your left shoulder. Keep your back straight. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now release your right arm. Release your left arm. Bring it down with exhalation. Next, close your Vajrasana. Next, all up to go to long sitting position. Next, now we have done sitting asanas. Next, we will be going to do lying asanas. So, supine position as well as prone position we having. First, we will be going for a prone position. So, all of you lie down in the ground by using your stomach. Head should be forward here. Next, we will be doing Bhujangasana. So all of you, bring your both arms near to your chest level, near to chest. Yeah, slowly come up, look up, hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now release, breathe out, come forward. Next, all of you come to the Makrasana. Now cross your left arm by touching your right shoulder, cross your right arm by touching your left shoulder. Next, open your toes outward. Yeah, rest your chin on this wrist of your right arm. Close your eyes. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open your eyes. Yeah, now open your arms. Bring back your legs straight. Yeah, next we will be doing Salabhasana. So now take your both arms and place it under your lower abdominal. chin should be in the ground. Now rise your both legs backward up. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now open your arms. Come to again Makarasana position. So now lying series is over. Next we will go for prone, supine position. All of you come to turn right side. Next we will be going to perform Uttana Padanasana. Now all of you place your both arms sideways, palm in the ground. Raise your both legs up about 45-degree angle. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly bring it down. This is Uttana Padanasana. Next, we are having Ardha Halasana. So again, place your both arms sideways, palm facing downward, place it in the ground. Now we will be lifting your leg up to 90 degree, both legs. Now slowly raise your both legs up. This is Ardha Halasana. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release it down. Slowly. Next, we are having Pavana Uttanasana. For that, take your left leg first, bend your knees, and hold your left leg. Your leg has to touch your chest. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your arm. Release your leg. Next, take your right leg. Repeat the same. Bend over right knee. Now take your arms. Hold your right knee. Pull towards your chest. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now release your arms. Release your legs also. Now bend over both knees and place it in the ground. Now you can go for Purna Pavanamuttanasana. Hold over both legs by using your arms. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now release your arms. Release your both legs. Next, we will be doing Setu Bandhanasana. Bend over both knee. Place your feet on the ground. Hold your ankle by using your arms. Now rise your trunk up. This is Sedu Bandhanasana. Hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring your trunk down. Release your arm. Release your leg. This is Sedu Bandhanasana. Now, all of you get up. Now, all of you get up. Go to long sitting position. All of you go to long sitting position. So now we have done asanas. Next we will be going to the kriyas as well as pranayamas. To kriya, first we have a Kapalpati. For that, all of you go to any meditative position, maybe Sukhasana, Padmasana, Vajrasana, any kind of asanas, you can do it. Okay. Next, you can go Chin Mutra or Chinmay Mutra. These mudras you can go. Keep your back straight. Now, we will be performing Kapalpati. Inhale. This is one round. Again inhale. When you are breathing out, minimum 5 to 8 breathe you can out. Yes. Inhale. One more round. Inhale. Your stomach has to go down, go in and come out. Again one more round. Inhale. Yeah. Next. We can go Nadiswati Pranayama, Nadiswadan Pranayama. For that, take your right arm like this. Go to these mudras. And place it, take your right thumb, place it on your right nostril. Through your left nostril, you will be inhaling. Inhale through your left nostril. Inhalation should be 2%. Hold your left nostril by using your right arm, ring finger. Hold it for 5 seconds. Now release your right thumb, open your right nostril, exhale through your right nostril. Again, inhale through your right nostril. Hold it for 5 seconds. Open your right nostril, left nostril. Exhale. This is one round. When you are inhaling, holding and exhaling, this is called Purha, Kumbhaka, Rakshaka. Okay, Ida, Pingala and Chusma Nadi. When you are inhaling, the inhalation process would be 2 east, holding will be 1% and exhalation should be 3%. So 2 east, 1 east, 3. This is a ratio of this pranayama. When you are inhaling, that is 2%. When you are holding, that is 1%. When you are exhaling, that will be 3%. So 2 is to 1 is to 2. So we need to start with your left nostril, inhale, then hold it, exhale through right nostril, again inhale through right nostril, hold it for 5 seconds, exhale through left nostril. When you are doing inhaling and exhaling through left and right nostril, this is become one round. So repeat the same exercise, pranayama, 5 rounds. Ready? All of you start. First round, inhale through left nostril. Hold. Exhale through right nostril. Inhale through right nostril. Hold. Exhale through left nostril. One more round. Inhale through left nostril. Hold. Exhale through right nostril. Inhale through right nostril. Hold. Exhale through left nostril. Three more round. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Two more round. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Last round. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale through right nostril. Hold. Exhale through left nostril. Now we have done 5 rounds of Nadi Sodhana Pranayama. Next, we will be going for Sitali Pranayama. So that this pranayama will make our body cool. Those are having this kind of hard body, they can go for this kind of asanas. So now, Keep your tongue out. Tongue should be out and make it as a funnel. Through that funnel, you will be inhaling, holding for 5 seconds. After that, you will be exhaling through your nose. Go to Padmasana, any asana. Exhale through your nose. Repeat one more round. Tongue out. Hold it as a funnel. Through that funnel, you will be inhaling the air and the tongue in. Close your mouth. Now hold it for 5 seconds. Exhale through your nose. Next, we will be doing Brahmari Pranayama. So that Pranayama makes our mind very calm. Good. Those are having stress or a headache, they can perform this kind of Pranayama. This is otherwise called a honeybee sound Pranayama. We can make a honeybee sound like this. So first, we will be taking our arms like this. First I will demonstrate. Place it in your chin, nose, below your eye, and close your eyes. And mainly you can use your thumb finger on your ear. Thumb fingers, insert the thumb fingers on your ears. Yes. Now you can start chanting. Release your arms. Release your arms. Okay. First, you need to keep your little finger on below your this mouth, and to close your mouth, close your nose, then close your eyes. The main thing is that you must keep your thumb finger. Insert the thumb finger inside in the ear. That is very important. Close your ear by using thumb finger forcefully. Don't forcefully close it. Now you can do by humming like you can create a sound like a honeybee. Now you can start. Inhale. Start. One more round. Release your arms. Open your eyes. Next, we will be going for meditation. All of you go to Padmasana or Sukhasana or Vajrasana. Keep your back straight. The meditation will be 5 minutes. So close your eyes, all of you. Keep your back straight. Go to any comfortable meditation position. All of you close your eyes. Yeah, concentrate on one particular point. Focus on one particular point. back straight. Do it for 5 minutes. Focus on any natural things like sun. You can focus on moon, sun, star, ocean, flowers. Imagine those object which is between your eyebrows. So focus on one particular place. Back straight. Close your eyes. Sankalpam and prayer song. Don't open your eyes. Asastoma sarkamaya Damasurmar Jodikamaya Viktormar Amardam Kamaya Om Shanti. Shanti. Rub your palms. Placed on our eyes, on our face. Now bring our palms in front of our head. Slowly open our eyes. See your palm impulse. Now you can go to long sitting position. Okay. So now we have done all these yoga practical practices, starting with prayer song. Then afterwards we have practiced loosening exercise or warm-up exercise. Then afterwards we have practiced standing asanas, bending series, sitting asanas, prone position, ground this back position, and as well as we have done kriyas, meditations and pranayamas. And afterwards we have end with a prayer song. Now this is a way we need to do protocol, yoga protocol exercise. Now I would like to welcome our Honorable Vice Chancellor sir, give some speech about this yoga practical session. Sir, please. No sir. No sir. The meditation directly will come.
Good morning, everybody. So, how are you feeling after a good round of yoga? You should do it every day. Yeah? Okay. How many of you did it all the asanas perfectly? All of you? So, I am very happy that we are organizing this YOGOTSAV in collaboration with the Morarji Desai Institute of Yoga as a prelude to the International Day of Yoga, which will be celebrated in the month of June. And I congratulate the faculty and the team which has organized this event, and also got the assistance and help from the Morarji Desai Institute of Yoga. As you all know, yoga, it means the sum, the addition, to add things. And what does it do? What does it add? Your mind, body and soul. When all the three, they are in harmony and they function together, you get the perfect health and happiness, and your efficiency, your performance in whatever you do, whether it's academic work, whether it's sports, or whatever activity you take up, or you do it with your full concentration, and you get an excellent result. whether it's your studies or whether it's your games or sports. So yoga is a science, it's a very unique science where it brings all the three faculties of the mind, body and soul together and makes them function in harmony, which is very, very essential for an integrated and wholesome health and happiness. So I'm very happy that our university has been able to organize this event, and since it is a prelude to the International Day of Yoga, I hope we will continue to organize few more events which should culminate in a much bigger and much larger event on the day of the International Yoga Day. Thank you very much and all the best and good luck to you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you to all the faculties and students. As this program is continued in the next part, which is from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m., thank you, Honorable Chief Guest, sir, for joining us today, and thank you, Dean, Dr. Shyam Sundarat, sir, for joining us today. I request all of you, you can stand up on your place. रिफ्रेशमेंट है ना, क्या बोलूँगी, क्या वो जा रहे हैं, मैं इसके बाद अनाउंस करूँगी ना कितने बजे पहुँचना है स्टूडेंट्स को, वो तो निकले ना। हाँ हाँ, रिफ्रेशमेंट है ना, उसमें लिखा है अभी रिफ्रेशमेंट है, टाइम भी सब फॉर्मेट में देखो, उसमें रिफ्रेशमेंट सुबह का दिया हुआ है। Okay, all the students, you all are requested to report at 9:45 a.m. sharp at the academic block. Okay, so all of you are requested to report at 9:45 a.m. in the indoor hall. And the teachers as well, you all are requested to report at 10 a.m. And all the students, there is a refreshment provided outside. So please have